Letter management. Welcome to PropMarker's letter management session. PropMarker's letter management feature provides property investors with an efficient means of communication with parties involved in planning applications or probate. With this feature, users can draft, save, and reuse letters, saving time and simplifying communication. They have the flexibility to create personalized templates or use pre-made ones for various types of letters. Once personalized, users can select relevant properties under planning application or probate properties to which they wish to send the letter. PropMarker then generates a print-ready PDFs for seamless printing and mailing to the intended recipient. Navigating through PropMarker's letter management is simple. Here's your guide to efficient correspondence and record keeping. First up, let's talk about properties with planning applications. Stay on top of all documentation related to your projects. Within this section, you can draft, send, and archive letters seamlessly. Need to follow up on a particular case? Simply search and retrieve past correspondences effortlessly. Now, probate correspondence. Easily manage all communication related to probate processes. Here, you can organize letters based on projects, ensuring clarity and efficiency in communication. Need to access historical letters for reference? It's just a click away. With PropMarker's letter management, you can streamline your correspondence and maintain impeccable records, saving you time and effort. Start optimizing your communication today with PropMarker's letter management.